God. Yeah, that would be, he died. That is basically my road. Oh my God, look at the waves cresting. I'm gonna get out. Yeah. No, he's not gonna jump. Wow. So I guess Richmond Country Club's closed. Oh yeah, yay. That is nuts. Guy's in his boots. That's pretty funny. That's it. That's a. You know, I'm not sure how deep that is, but that's about 3.5 feet, and it's underwater over there. So I don't think you're going any. Yeah. Oh man, it's 4 people. I hope. That's crazy. Jeez, this is definitely history, guys. Oh my God, that's the road. This isn't even a stream over here, is it? Not no, or it is, yeah. Wow. Honey, he's in mud. Why would you bring him down? He's in mud. You're not making any sense. You just got him in a pile of mud. My wife.
Not trying.
Come on. My dog. What? You want to go swimming? There's no. Huh? Where?
What is that?
Oh, it is a canoe overturned. Yeah. Oh my God.
Why is it rippling over there?
It's cresting. It's coming crashing down. I don't know. Oh my God, these poor people. Oh my God, that dumpster's underwater. Unbelievable. I'm sorry. This is like my neighborhood. My peeps. I want to get to Richmond Country Club. It's right there. I just want to go get a burger. Unbelievable. Yeah, we're pretty screwed. We'd have no way to get. No, this is the way you wanted to come, and I had a feeling you couldn't. We're screwed.
I'm actually trapped.
Okay. Ready, boo, we're going nuts. Oh, see that dumpster right there? That dumpster is underwater over there. Yeah, the river overtook that whole neighborhood.
Can you imagine if that was your house?
I can't. I'd be sick. Well, I would think those people